Can a lens that on Amazon sells for $120, but the feedback, the customer rating is like around 50%, and is a big flag right on the Amazon ad for this Gen 2 lens that says frequently returned item. Well, I knew I wasn't going to buy it for like $120 or so. So sure enough, I went on eBay and someone was selling their copy for half price, boxed, brand new with all the accessories, like the pouch and the cleaning cloth. And here it is. This is the Gen 2 135 millimeter f2.8 prime lens. It looks like this with a built-in lens hood. And it's completely manual focus, manual aperture. And so I bought it. It was $60 delivered. And I took it out on the ferry. I walked down Manhattan to South Ferry, jumped on the ferry, took pictures. Okay, guys, so like I said, this is photo class 681. Uh, this Gen 2 lens is quite good. I will tell you that right now. Gen 2 does make a few other kinds of lenses, which are very inexpensive. They're sold on Amazon. And I bought this one because I love the prime lens of 135 millimeters. To me, it gives you the best reproduction. So it's full frame, and I mounted it on the Canon EOS 5D Mark II full frame camera. The copy I bought of this lens, that was the mount in EOS EF mount. So the lens is pretty nice. It has 6 elements. That's not too many elements. It takes 58 millimeter filters. It's all metal. It's multi-coated, as you can see right here on the camera. The minimum distance is 5 feet. That's pretty far away. 6 aperture blades. It's pretty hefty. It's 600 grams. Now, I bought this lens. This is not a sponsorship. Uh, so how did I take all the photographs you're looking at? Aperture priority, ISO 200, f8. Why f8? Like you know what I'm going to say. It's the sharpest aperture for any lens. So, the moral of the story is if you see a lens that the new price is a little high and it's a little risky because the customer reviews are a little bad, just go on eBay and see if someone is selling their copy for half price. So become a member of this channel. It's like $1 and thumbs up. And what else? Comment below. Tell me where you are. Tell me what country you're watching this channel from. And subscribe. Have a great day.